Just because God is with you doesn't mean that you do not have problems. I'll say that again. Just because God is with you, it doesn't mean that you do not have problems. Many of us think that if God is with us, we will have no problems, and that can't be farther from the truth because it says in Second Timothy chapter 3 that if we are Christians, we are followers of God, we'll have to suffer. And that's the truth. But you know what the comfort is, the true comfort is? It says in Psalms 46, verse 1, God is our refuge and strength, a very ready help in trouble. And God is the comfort in midst of the trouble. If we look at examples in the Bible, Jeremiah was in prison when he was still with God. Joseph was in prison when he was still with God. John the Baptist was in the prison when he was still with God. Paul was in the prison while he was still with God. And they never questioned their suffering because all they knew was God was their refuge and their strength and a very steady help in trouble. And God is always there with you to walk through the situations that you are in. I was reading Joshua chapter 3, and it was so beautiful to see because it's literally before like the Jordan River is crossed, and Joshua is just like, strengthened up. And the Lord is like, you know what, the other nations are afraid of you. Literally, Rahab comes and says to the spies that, that we are afraid of you, and every other nation has like their hearts are melted and they have no spirit in them. And in that moment is like Joshua is ready to go,